Hello and welcome. So given that the center of a certain circle is 513 and the radius is 2 square root 15, what is the equation of the circle? This is literally almost all of the information you need for the circle. Actually it is. It is literally all the information we need, right? All we have to do is you got to know the general equation of the circle. That's x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals your radius squared. So then, once we know that the center of any circle can be written as h comma k, the literal same h and k inside of your equation right there, then we know most of the work right there. Because if your center is 5, 13, that means your h is 5, your k is 13. So then we have x minus h, which is 5, squared, plus your y minus k, and k is 13, squared equals our radius squared. We also know our radius. Okay, her radius is 2 square root 15. Well, if we want radius squared, then all we got to do, square both sides. Now this is where you have to work a little bit. Remember that a square essentially means that you have two of the same thing being multiplied. That means that you have 2 square root 15 times 2 square root 15, right? You got two of those happening. Well, this is just a better radical multiplication, right? 2 times 2, 4, and then a square root times a square root. That means essentially the two square roots on the inside, right, multiply together. But think about it, guys. If you have two of the same thing, what's going to come out? One of them, right? It's like square root of 4 is just 2 because that's 2 and 2. Well, here we have two 15s, one of them comes out. So essentially, when you square a square root, the square and square root essentially undo each other, and remember, because it's multiplication, that also distributes there. Okay, so you end up with 4 times 15, which is 60. That means that your r squared equals 60 for this particular problem. And that's it. That is literally your equation. So then we have in our answer box x minus 5 squared plus y minus 13 squared equals 60. Done. Finito. Nothing else to do there. Okay? Alrighty. Thanks for watching.